G'day, this is Funk's old brother. Thought I'd show you a new addition to the bike, which is my new GIVI V47 Blade top box. This is quite a big box, as you can see, and as per the name G47, it holds 47 litres. I've also put on the backrest, which provides my my pillions, or my wife in particular, with a bit more comfort. She can sit back on that, and it's rubber. It's quite nice, and yeah, I think it suits the bike quite well. One thing I did do was Phil's Farkles. So he manufactures CNC racks to support these things. So if you can see here, this is a Phil's rack that I've had brought in from the States. That's where he's from. That's where he makes them. But what this does, it just makes it for much more of a sturdier platform than the OEM bracket that came with it. This here is the monolock bracket, and the unit sort of sits on that. But just to go over it with you, very sturdy box. That is quite sturdy. Comes with two keys, which is lockable in two ways. So with unlocking that, I can open up the box, and this will actually fit two helmets. Proven, tested, and it does work. So if you have the need for two helmets to go into your top box, this is the one for you. Won't demonstrate that at the moment, but trust me, it works. This unit also has a double lock, so or a double mechanism. So by pushing this button here, I can simply take the whole unit straight off. I won't do that because I've only got one hand, and it just sits in there. Very, very simple. Lock, lock, lock. It's done. So that's it. Nothing more to talk about. So apart from the fact that with the standard luggage cases, which hold about 30 litres each, I believe, plus my top box on the side, 30, 60. I've got about 107 litres there, if my maths is correct. But yeah, highly recommend the V47 Blade by GIVI. Can't go wrong. Do yourself a favour, get one of these.